You don't need an ape-land for a hummingbird, but it's okay.
But yeah, for my satisfaction, I will.
Come look at Frank.
Oh. Nah.
Come look at Frank.
Shall we all kill Frank?
Yes.
To kidnap him, or whatever.
We can kidnap it, you can be the cop.
Yeah, right. I'm not gonna say that. Rather, I'm gonna bring a sniper and finish him off first.
We're gonna like line him up so you can get a perfect shot.
I'm gonna land on top of you, and I'm gonna
Alex,
kill you with my tail order.
Brother, Eric, when we gonna get a EMS?
Oh my!
When we...
I said move.
You all died.
LOL.
You all fucking died.
Alex,
GG.
why did he fly in front of me?
Why did you fucking ram me?
I was trying to hit Frank Marshall's head with my helicopter. Oh. Did you know that I killed myself and Johnny and you on the way?